So breaking news, Uber drivers can now work from home. Oh my gosh, can they really work from home? Well, in California, Uber drivers are supposed to be employees, and Uber just announced that employees can now work from home until June or July of 2021. So, does that mean Uber drivers can work from home? Sorry, I know this title is a little clickbaity, but I just wanted to catch your attention because there's a lot going on, and this raises a ton of concerns for us as drivers. What kind of protection do we have? And I don't know if you've ever gone to an Uber hub and you've seen the separation from Uber drivers and Uber employees, and it is weird, guys. I went, and maybe I could throw up a picture that I saw, but they have bathrooms outside of these Uber hubs. I know most of them are closed right now, but before COVID, they had these really nice deluxe outside restrooms for employees, and then they had these tiny little rinky-dink porta potties for drivers, and the really nice one said drivers are not allowed inside. It's crazy. I think I wouldn't be surprised if Uber drivers start protesting because of this, because yeah, let me just get right into it. This is absolutely bonkers because yeah, so here I have my notes pulled up, and as you can see, number 10, Uber drivers can now work from home, right? As drivers, we are considered employees in California. So does that mean drivers can work from home as well? Let's look into this. This is Business Insider. Uber announces employees can work from home through June 2021, and it's giving them $500 for their home office. Drivers in California, we need that $500, and drivers elsewhere where this law has passed as well. I think it's just in California right now. On Tuesday, Uber announced that corporate employees will have their voluntary work from home policy extended through June 2021. Corporate employees will also be given a $500 stipend for a home office setup. Uber's joining a growing list of companies that have extended their work from home policies into 2021. The company has still not issued a uniform policy for drivers during this time. On Tuesday, Uber announced that corporate employees will be allowed to voluntarily work from home until June 2021. As a company built on flexible working, we want to provide our team with flexibility, choice, and longer-term clarity so they can plan ahead. In order to accommodate this change, Uber will be offering a $500 stipend to help employees with their home office setups. $500, what does that cover? A desk? Maybe a chair? What a beautiful office. If local offices open before June 2021, employees will have the option of returning to the office if they feel comfortable. So don't go out there and go spend, you know, $2,000 on a home office. You know, you have the option to go back. Uber said that whatever decision employees make will not factor into performance reviews. While the company said it will be reevaluating the policy for a possible extension in the spring of 2021, the policy itself will not be shortened. For drivers, here we go, guys. Uber's offering financial assistance guides and a website for drivers to find other forms of employment if they're unable to make the same amount of money as they were in March before the coronavirus pandemic curbed the demand for sharing. Yeah, that website, that's a joke. They literally have an application for Domino's. Uber's trying to get Domino's employee referrals. Domino's is probably paying Uber to put that on their website. They want us to go work for Domino's and deliver pizza? Might as well just sign up for Uber Eats. The company has not announced any stipend for drivers at this time. That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. You know, when Uber tried to offer sick pay to drivers, you know, they gave you know how many drivers they gave that to? Less than 1%. I think it was 0.1% of drivers. 1 out of 1,000 drivers got Uber sick pay. And that's not a fact because I don't know the exact numbers, but it's really low. Uber's joining a long list of working companies, but so Uber drivers gave employees the ability to work from home. Now look at this. There was a law passed in California that reclassifies Uber drivers as employees. So as Uber drivers, should we also get the option to work from home or get that $500 home office setup, at least to, you know, do our expenses, track our, you know, write down our expenses, our miles, do our taxes. You know, should we also have that stipend as well, or just another stipend, maybe for our car. Wouldn't that be nice? Oh, is that a pimple? No, what is that? Why is that all dark right there? I don't, whoa, why is it dark right there? Then when I go here, it's, what is that? It's weird. Guys, I got this huge zit on my face. Do you guys know what to do for those things? Uber and Lyft drivers are employees, California Regulatory Agency fines. So this California Regulatory Agency, the California Public Utilities Commission, the state government body responsible for licensing and regulating some transportation companies, including Uber and Lyft, officially ruled Tuesday that it would formally consider drivers of those companies to be employees. There we go. We can work from home. Guys, obviously, you know, if you know the situation going on, obviously Uber drivers can, well, Uber is not inviting drivers to work from home. That would be pretty silly. I don't know how we're gonna work from home, but I think this just raises a good question. You know, do we as drivers, the reason that drivers should be considered employees is not because drivers are asking for it. That's obviously clearly not the case here. The reason drivers are trying to be reclassified as employees is so the government can get their taxes from Uber and Lyft. I mean, that's literally, and they want, yeah, that's literally, you know, they just want a cut of their pie. And Uber and Lyft is basically not paying into benefits. And also they want taxes, but they also want to give Uber drivers benefits, right? That's the main reason. It's not because, oh, the protests, so the government heard the drivers. It's none of that. They don't really care. They do care about drivers having access to benefits. That's, and you know, a fair wage. That's what happened. But, you know, this raises a clear issue. Uber just invited all their employees to work from home. What about drivers? No stipend for us. I don't know. I just wanted to make this video just so, you know, we can all start this conversation. But anyways, guys, have a great day, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.